Welcome to PC Error Detective. Today, we're diving into how to restore tabs on Microsoft Edge. If you find our tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now let's begin. Method 1. Checking the recently closed tabs. Open Microsoft Edge to get started. Look for the three-dot menu icon in the upper right corner and give it a click. From the menu that pops up, hover over History. You'll see a sidebar emerge. Here, click on Recently Closed. You'll find a list of tabs that were closed during your last browsing session. Simply click on the one you wish to bring back to life. Moving on to Method 2. Using a keyboard shortcut. This one's quick and easy. Just press Ctrl, Shift, and T all at the same time, and voila! Your most recently closed tab will reappear. And finally, Method 3. Restoring tabs from your history. Again, click the three-dot menu icon at the top right of Edge. Select History to pull up your past internet adventures. Scroll through the list to find the elusive tab you're missing. Once you spot it, click on it, and it'll be right back where it belongs. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.